Good day everyone, good day ma'am. My name is Joel Andre Moico and my report is all about the presentation, the scenic design and the stage lighting. So for the presentation, we have the scenic design and stage lighting. As mentioned previously, are the two important aspects of the theater production. They are necessary to enhance the creative work. Both provide additional support to the performance of the actors on stage. For these technical aspects, allow them to give more breadth and depth to their characteristics. Okay, so first, let's talk about the scenic design. A scenic design is also known as scenography. Set design or stage design is the creative process in theater production where the scenographer plans, designs, and creates the needed sceneries for each act in the play. The scenographer designs the stage using the mixture of color, line, and form to achieve a stage setting that supports the performance. So, moreover, scenic design is a pivotal creative process in theater production. It involves a comprehensive planning, designing, and creation of sceneries tailored for each act of a play. So, we have the three objectives of the scenic design: to support the performance, enhance storytelling, and creative atmosphere. So, in short, scenic design incorporates set pieces, props, backdrops, lighting, functionality, and scenic art to create this stage environment. So, it's all about the complete development of a stage design. And that's all my report. Thank you.